damage.
Everybody wanna be hard, wanna be gangster. Everybody wanna get a gun, call them trigger finger. Y'all niggas too soft, can't be real. Everybody wanna switch up, when they can't eat off your grill. Sitting at home doing nothing. Niggas be chillin' and vibing. Riding in my car ain't stunning. What make you think that you can stop me? Nope. I just been getting that bad. Everybody watching this video right now, follow me on Instagram. I appreciate it. Enjoy the video.
Man, you know what I said on the inside ain't loud, bro. As y'all can see, man, we got somebody in the wheel, man. We got somebody in the wheel. Hey, man, you can see, bro. You good, bro? you see how they be? Ain't too dog. Y'all see what we got going, man. Y'all boy, you know what I'm saying? Cross your fingers, you know what I'm saying? I just play. Nah, we good.
You already started sport?
Oh no, you can yeah, we'll put that bit. We'll put that in sport, man. Some slight.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Diesel motherfucker.
Yes sir, man.
God, I forgot that bit sensitive.
Oh yeah, that bit got some torque on that bit. I'm gonna put my damn seatbelt on, bro. Yeah. Gotta let my seat back.
Maybe I can see it right there.
Yeah, the window feel different on it. Get the bit big as hell. That bit can see the world through that bit.
Yeah,
man. Finna see how the Camaro driver feel about the Scat, man. Catless, you know, little Catless Scat, ain't nothing crazy, not too crazy. Yeah, it's something slight, man. Something slight. It bit do sound good though.
Oh yeah. Do they bit? Do all these trees and shit?
Oh, but I'm telling you, gonna see. They be gonna. Okay. It's that big body.
That bitch smooth though. That bitch smoother than my shit. Okay.
You would? It could like, I don't know, bro. Just like, well, you got that space and that fun, bro. That shit just.
But you know, I had a Challenger.
Oh yeah, you did say that, yeah. The Challenger got space too, though.
The Challenger
Like,
got a lot of space.
yeah, the whole got a lot of space in it.
That just, I don't think I'd go back challenge, but it's just the fact, you know, having a lot of space in that bitch.
Yeah.
I got another car, so it's like.
Yeah, it don't even matter now.
Space.
Yeah. You don't even need the space now. You just need the fun.
Yeah.
Yeah. Something slight, man. It's a nice day outside. I ain't gonna lie. Nice day. Get some folk to come outside. You know, it ain't gonna happen. Got a little something, a little bit. Just a little bit. Yeah, man. I said, what you think so far for the difference? What you know the difference? Oh, for real?
The difference?
Yeah.
One, you know, just the all around.
Oh yeah, the visibility, yeah.
Camaro, that shit go out the window.
Yeah.
Then just, really just, you know, the shifts. That 10 speed just a motherfucker though.
Yeah. That 10 speed different.
Then just, like, ride. The ride is, I ain't gonna lie, I feel like the ride a little better in here.
Well, like you're more relaxed with like comforting.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. That's what I be saying.
You gotta be on your heels at all time over there, that motherfucker.
Yeah, boy. Can't see nothing but the sky. They been more like traveling. Look at that dumb man about to go. They weren't even supposed to go.
I mean, that motherfucker all around town.
Man, what? I said, you want to, you can put it right. That right at that stop sign.
Where that bitch go?
It just go, it's like a little neighborhood loop. It loop back to that road right there by your, what, House and Lake right here? It go right back to that. Yeah, but you can turn around at that bitch too, like a little spot. You know, ooh. Okay then. Talk to me, Leah.
Chill, boy.
This shit crazy. We be on the passenger seat on wheel. It don't feel bad. It's just like it's weird. It's just weird. Okay. We got a little something, man. Something slight. I ain't gonna lie though, it just get crazy. On the passenger seat, boy, I see why niggas be getting mad. Nigga be hitting that bitch like, man, chill out, man. I'm trying to eat.
That bitch be trying to shake your shit.
Yeah.
Nigga be stomping that bitch. They be,
Yeah, they be stabbing.
Bro, chill,
They be stabbing that bitch. That don't be too funny.
I get bro.
Look at his ass. He like, oh. Oh, okay then. That bitch do sound good, bro.
That's the one with
What?
that Mustang.
Was it a four cylinder?
It was the one with the VL one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, damn. What's up? Boy, driving that bit like Forza. Driving that bit like Forza.
I ain't never been out there with him.
Yeah, ain't numbers in damn houses. I just like it because it like just less traffic. Yeah, that big getting a little poppy now. That bitch do sound good. That bitch do sound good, boy. What's up? Something smooth, man. Letting it get a feel of that thing. That bitch smooth, man. You know, everybody, they always talk about car being big. We know it's big, but that bitch right. You gotta hit that bitch one time through the tree, man. I love this part. Damn. I ain't gonna let that bitch do feel different. I had to hold the phone with two hands, boy. Hey, I had to get right, boy.
Hey, well, you did a pull up my shit.
Hey, I had to get right in that bitch. What's up, boy? I'm my boy drive the scat thing, man. I just love how that bitch be sounding, bro, off the tree, bro. That bitch be sounding crazy. Yeah, you see the road I'm talking about now?
Oh, yeah.
All you gotta do, you just go back that way. But yeah. Something slight, man. It's but this nice little pool, little 1-2.
You feel me?
Little 1-2, man.
Yeah, that's a car for real.
Yeah, you hit that bit that time. Yeah, you hit that bit that time. I felt that bit.
I know the road. I be doing the pull down that bit all the time, going to Cari, but.
Yeah. It's a smooth road, I ain't gonna lie. I just wish this bill more like ducked off instead of like in so much traffic. If this bill like back that way, oh boy.
Niggas be, hey.
Man, what? Nigga, hey, 40 roll on both sides. Finish line in the same spot. Hey, boy. I'm telling you, bro. If they would have put it on the countryside, it would have been over with. You gotta be in and out that bit, though.
Once you get done, go ahead and get up on that bit, boy.
I'm telling you, everybody gotta be at the finish line. So as soon as you go, boy, you gotta be gone. But yeah, man.
About the money so well.
Yeah, go to Circle K. Go to the store, bitch. Yeah, man. That's what we got going. Something slight, man. Let my boy Whip Olivia, man. See what it like. You know what I'm saying?
Your brakes a lot like more responsive.
Bro,
you gotta get back into that.
Bro, everybody say that, and the crazy thing with me, bro, I need to change the right one, bro. That bitch not like 100%.
Well, they're like just the littlest.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Mine, you gotta goddamn. Mine
Yeah.
And they still, you gotta, like, alright, you finna break all that bitch.
Yeah. But it's crazy because you got 6 pistons, don't you?
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. We both got Brembo. I got 4 piston Brembo, but it's something about that. I think I'm out rotors, bro. I got big ass rotors.
Yeah,
My rotor big
I
ass.
got little ass rotors.
Yeah. That would make it different. The bigger the rotor, like the harder that bit. Don't slow down. That shit crazy.
Cause the one that Lee got, the big ass rotors.
Yeah, that bitch stopped on the dime. That's the one I had drove in one time. I went down the street in that bitch. That bitch stopped on the dime, boy.
Oh yeah, I gotta piss these folks off, but I was coming home, bro. They put a fucking speed thing down that bitch for my black guy 1 year. Well, a couple weeks back. I know it was for me.
But yo ass stupid. Hey man, why you making folk mad, man?
Just them.
It's funny, cause I go down that road too sometimes.
I just saw the other ass in here when I be on my porch.
Oh, I ain't gonna lie, you'll know what it is, bitch. When you hear that, yeah, you'll know what it is, bitch. They probably like, look at that niggas. What's up, man? Let my fellow 10-speed brethren see what the 8-speed feel like, man. Even though they got 2 more gears.
I don't even use them bitches.
That's what I'm saying. So it really just like a cheat code, bro. That shit really a cheat code.
I get up to my 8th gear, fam. We're moving.
That's what I'm
we
saying.
got like 170.
That's what I'm saying, bro. Niggas don't need but a smooth 6.
You don't, but it's just the gearing in that bit.
Yeah, cause you gonna go at least a 7. You gonna go at least a 7 in that bit.
The only way you can get to that bit, the only way you can get the gear in that motherfucker is having 10 gears.
Yeah. That's the only way. I'm telling you, you gotta be, but yeah, man. Something slight, man. How you feel about it, bro? What you think, bro, overall, bro? Just on some cool shit.
Might go try to get another one of these motherfuckers soon.
Man, I don't know, man. He might just be talking. I don't know.
I might try to get a cat though.
Oh, if you can't go wrong with that though. Now you can't go wrong with the cat, man.
Try to get a cat, boy.
That's why I was telling nigga that other video. I was like, which one you would pick? Like, bro, if you want a cat, boy, you might as well just go cat, boy. That be so hard.
You can get in a cat easy now though. I feel like as long as you ain't trying to go like
brand new out the box,
Yeah.
top of the line, fully loaded, yeah.
Yeah.
Like a used cat, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you get a used cat smooth. But all these,
That's not 100,000.
yeah, that's what I'm saying. All these 100-ball cats that sit on the showroom floor,
But
the whole 130.
They keep them.
I'm telling you.
Every last one of them. I ain't gonna cat though. I'll go track if I go cat though.
Yeah. I want to. I ain't cause a track different. I really would drive a track, bro. Yeah, I want a track.
I haven't had that experience yet.
It's just cause I say cat, cause like I just want to feel that bitch get loose, so I can know what it feel like. Then I be like, let me get in the track. Now. I just want to see how that bitch feeling to get loose. Well, yeah, man. I told y'all, man.
The hardest cat out there, motherfucker.
Appreciate it, man.
Donuts now.
Yeah, man. That's some old. That's years ago, man. Years ago. I need to get that bitch clean up under there anyway. Yeah, man. But something slight, man. Yeah, it's also, but that's why I be saying on some cool shit, bro. My car really smooth, bro. Some cool, like some low key cool shit, bro. It be smooth, bro. Ain't too much. I'm gonna get that bitch spicy though. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get that bitch right.
Go ahead, put them headers on there. Everybody said it in the comments of the live video.
Bro, I don't know why they want that on there, bro.
Put them headers on there.
That shit gonna be too loud. It gonna sound good though.
Just try it with your resonators on first.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave them on. Yeah, I'm gonna leave them on. I ain't straight piping that bitch. That gonna be, yeah.
Oh, they still on that bit?
Yeah, the resonator's still on now, yeah. I'm gonna keep them on, yeah.
Put the cats back on there.
Yeah.
You know what? Just put a muffler back on.
Yeah, that really,
You can have a flame.
yeah, that really what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna keep the cats, I'm gonna keep it catless, but I just want that muffler or put like, either if it ain't a Dodge muffler, gonna be like either a Boyle or some junk they gonna,
Big muffler.
I had no, I don't know, my pop threw them holes away. I don't know what he did in the hole, bro. I think he threw them away. But, I can get some more. Ain't nothing to get some more, but.
Oh, yeah, I think everybody cut them holes out, so
Yeah, you go to a muffler shop. Man, let me get them about 40. Let me buy them motherfuckers.
throw them holes back on.
Yeah, he ain't doing nothing. But yeah, man. We're gonna see, man. They want me to put headers on her car, cause y'all let me know if I should do it. I ain't gonna, if enough people say I might do that, bitch, I get tipped. Oh, yeah. But that bitch gonna sound crazy, though. That bitch gonna
not expensive.
Yeah, they really not. It's
Which brand you want to go?
yeah, and then find somebody to put that bit on.
I ain't got me. You ought to do that.
Oh, for real?
You gonna do mine?
Oh yeah, I gotta see that. I gotta see that. When y'all do yours, I want to go see how y'all do that shit. I gotta see that. Put it in the vlog or something so like. Yeah, man. That's pretty much it though, man. Y'all comment down below, like this video, man.
Let me get a little shot.
Oh yeah. Shout yourself out, man. I'm for.
Y'all go shit. Add me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram at that bit slow mirror mirror.
Slow mirror. Alright, I'm gonna put that in there. Yes,
Then goddamn shit. What is it? Follow me on TikTok.
Okay.
You know, check up as man. Be straight though, y'all.
Okay.
You feel me?
Okay.
You know, I gotta shout out the brand. You know, I gotta shout out the boy, the big boys. Now.
Alright.
The back outside boys.
Okay. The back outside, boys. Alright. The back outside, boy. You boy got something going. I ain't know about that.
Y'all see something soon. Project coming in.
I ain't know nothing about that. Alright, then. That's something new then, man. But yeah, man, y'all tap in on my boy, man. With that clean mirror, you know what I'm saying? 23. Clean, mother. I ain't know that bill was 23. I thought that bill was 21. What's up, man? But yeah, man. That pretty much gonna be a wrap. I ain't really got too much else to say. My boy said hit him up, you know what I'm saying, on all socials. You feel me?
Y'all need any work, break work, anything like that, I got y'all.
Okay. Break work. All right, then little mechanic, handyman. Yes, sir. Y'all need that handyman work, man. He got you, bro. You see what he riding in, so you know what he talking about, man. But yeah, that pretty much gonna be a wrap, though, man. Ain't really got too much else to say. Make sure y'all just hit that like button. Subscribe. Get your boy to 10K the quick way, man. And that's it. We out, man.